friends, now we have to go to our last session. We have to finish about the digestive system, what the food have, we can take the food, and blood vessels. We have to learn about the digestive system, joints, about the skeleton system, and now we have to go to that. This is one experiment is there in our textbook, page number 23. Page number 23. The Bowman's experiments. Bowman's experiments is that William Bowman was an American army doctor. Is that his unique experiment was a good starting point for the digestion of digestive system. In the time of that year of that 1822, a man named Alexis Saint Martin was shot by a bullet in his stomach. That Martin was 18 years old at that time. How many years are that? 18 years old, and was healthy before that injury. When that bullet shoot on stomach, before that he is 18 years and he is a very healthy boy. In that, Dr. Williams Beaumont was immediately called for his treatment. For the boy who will treat that, Williams Beaumont was for treatment. He can, that doctor to call to treatment him. That he dressed to wanted to give him a proper treatment. And after 1.5 years, he found that Martin recovered except a big hole and in his stomach, which was covered with a loose layer of skin, which is that after half year means 6 months after he is recovered very well. But is that except one is that one hole is on there in stomach. What is that layer? Loose layer of skin. That the doctor could even look into his stomach by pressing the layer. By pressing the layer, the doctor examined him. And that not only that, he used to hold to take out liquid from his stomach. It is used to how can it is that their hole and they can use to take out the liquid from this stomach by the putting a tube in it. He can put in a tube in the stomach. With this, doctor got an opportunity to perform an experiment. This doctor got an opportunity from the injured person. Who is that injured person? That's Saint Martin. That at that time the scientist did not know how to food gets digestion in the body. Then how do the digestive juices help the digestion? Then does any other organ help in the process of digestion? That this doctor wanted to know how can it digestion. Then the movement carried out of the experiments on Martin's stomach for about 9 years to find out the answers. He is waiting for before 9 years find out the answers. And about the questions, let us study about the experiments details. We have to learn about the experiment details. See that Bowman experiments are that he took a little quantity of liquid from Martin's stomach by inserting a tube through the hole. He is take out that which the Martin have injured in the stomach. He had hold that stomach from the hole. He is taking some liquid and a little amount he take out the liquid and he can throw the tube. He can take from that and he put digestive juice in a glass. He can put one glass and he wanted to know that what would happen to the food item, and he can find out that with the help of juice, and he putting juice in one glass and he know that what happened to the digested itself on its own or other liquid carry out any change in the food. It is he know that he want to know the other juices that he want to digestion. you want to know the how can the digestion of the food, then he performed his experiment is given below, that at the time of 8:30 a.m. he put 20 pieces of a fish in a glass jar filled with the 10 ml digestive juices. He take out the digestive juice from that Morton's stomach, is there in the hole. He take out the juices, no. Then he had to take the liquid. He taken that 8:30 a.m. he put 20 pieces of fish in a glass and he that filled with jar digestive food juices is there, no. He filled with the jar with the juices. He placed the glass jar at the same temperature as maintained in the stomach, about 30 degrees Celsius. What is that in our stomach? How much is the temperature is there? He can put that same temperature in the place. And that next at 2 p.m. he checked the glass jar and found that pieces of fish were dissolved in the digestive juices. It is dissolved in the digestive juices. Then he know what is that at the 2 p.m. he observed that fishes it dissolved in the digestive juices. Next, after that he did this experiment by putting the digestive juices in the different food items. At the same time he gave same food to Martin. He compared the time taken by the food and to be digested inside Martin's stomach and this glass jar. Same that Beaumont recorded this observation as given below. That same time that Martin also he gave to the Beaumont doctor, that given to the Martin also same time, same food, same duration of the time. And he noticed that in the textbook is there some notices, some food is given to the Martin and he put in jar. That unboiled milk in the time 2 hours 15 minutes. The digestion it is 4 hours 45 minutes. And boiled milk 2 hours, 4 hours same time. Unboiled milk, boiled milk also taken same timing. What is that? 4 hours 15 minutes. Third one, full boiled eggs. He gave to full boiled eggs at that 3 hours 30 minutes. It take digestion 8 hours. And half boiled eggs 3 hours, 6 hours 30 minutes it can digest it. And skimmed eggs 2 hours, 4 hours 15 minutes. Unboiled eggs 1 hour 30 minutes and it digestive juices 4 hours. In the stomach is one type of time is there. In jar one type of time is there. In the stomach unboiled milk same 2 hours 15 minutes. In the jar it taken 4 hours 45 minutes. What is the difference? 2 hours. In that boiled milk same 2 hours 4 hours 15 minutes in the jar. And that full boiled eggs 3 hours 30 minutes it take in stomach. In jar 8 hours. Half boiled eggs 3 hours. In jar 6 hours 30 minutes. And skimmed eggs 2 hours. And this jar 4 hours 15 minutes. Unboiled eggs also taken in stomach 1 hour 30 minutes. It taken in jar 4 hours. So many differences are so he is find. And using the observation William Beaumont found out many secrets about the digestive system. Some of them they listed below. That he found that the food gets digested faster in the stomach than when we place it outside of the body. The doctor also observed that the process of digestion is slowed down when Martin was unhappy. When that human beings are unhappy, the digestion system go to slow digestion. That he found that the digestive juices in the stomach were acidic If the person does not eat food properly or food is not digested properly, it may lead to acidity. It is caused to acidity. He is listed the so many points of that about that. What is the how much how can go into digestion in the stomach and out of the stomach in the jaw. Is there so many differences he find that he is using. He found that the food gets digested faster in the stomach than when he placed it outside of the body, and that when the doctor observed that process of digestion slowed down when that Martin was unhappy, and he found out that digestive juices in the stomach are acidic, and if the person does not eat food properly, the food is not digested properly, it may be to acidity, it is formed to acidity. These points are noticed by the government experiments. He is about that, he learn about the experiments from the experiments. This type also we can eat healthy food to take the food is easily digested. Mostly fiber in the food we have to take, it is healthy for our body. We have to take properly, digest properly, take the food in the same timings. We have to maintain the timings to take the food, morning breakfast and lunch and dinner. We have to maintain the proper timings to take the food, and the evening also we have to take some liquid like teas, milk, juices. In the morning we have to take milk or tea or coffee. We have to maintain the diet in our, it take us to healthy to our body. Okay na children, next session we have to learn about that expiratory system and nervous system. This is our, we have to complete our lesson. Children, you should buy the textbooks, otherwise you can't understand. You must buy the textbooks as well as soon as you can buy the textbooks. Okay na children.